Good morning, guys. So today has been a very rough morning. It is Thursday today, and just got home and the dog pooped in her cage. So get her bath started because looks like I'm giving the dog a bath now. But anyways, hold that thought for a second. Look at this little baby that just got a bath. She looks like a rat when she's wet. She's a Yorkie and Bichon Frise, however you say it, mix. And she's only like 2.5 pounds maybe. But yeah, she looks like a little rat after we give her a bath. And yes, I need to take that trash out. Alright, so we are going to go to school. So she's feeling better.
A little bit.
A little bit, but I think you can handle going to school because we don't have strep, don't have flu. I think you're fine. Hey guys, so in case I recorded earlier kind of explaining stuff, but I don't think it actually recorded. So anyways, this morning, sorry. This morning, today's Thursday, try to get Aubrey up for school. She didn't want to go to school, said she didn't feel good, and she's kind of at that age to where you don't really know if she's telling the whole truth. So told her she didn't go to school, had to go to the doctor, said she wanted to go to the doctor. So I'm like, oh my goodness, she's really sick, because normally what kid wants to go to the doctor, right? So called, made a doctor's appointment, and yeah, and I actually made it for Aubrey and Anna, my baby. She's 9 months, and I guess it was a good thing that we went, because Anna actually has an ear infection, and that's causing her like cough and congestion and keeping that around instead of that getting better. So we got her, or I've got to pick her up later today, some antibiotics. So anyway, Aubrey checked out fine. They checked her for strep. She didn't have fever, so they didn't check flu. And after a little bit, she started acting like herself again. So I was like, yeah, she probably just didn't want to go to school this morning. So we just got back from dropping her off at school. And I think I got the clip earlier of when we got home from the doctor to get Aubrey's stuff for school. Zoe, our little puppy back here, she's only, how old is she? 3 or 4 months now. Had pooped all in her crate. So had to give her a bath real quick, and that's why she's in the car with us, because I haven't had a chance to clean her crate out yet. So yeah, that's what's been going on. This one back here, Addie, she's okay. She hasn't had any symptoms yet, but when I dropped Aubrey off at school, there was another mom from Aubrey's class actually picking her child up from the nurse's office. So I'm like hoping and praying that we don't get the flu in the house. But at the same time, I'm kind of just waiting for it and expecting it. But I wanted to tell you guys too, just because today's been a very overwhelming day, and just a crazy morning. My mom is at a hospital like an hour and a half away, having surgery on her leg. Be nice to Zoe. Addie, that's not being nice. She broke her leg last January, so a little over a year ago, and it has not healed. So she is having pretty major surgery today on her leg to like fuse it together. Addie, put Zoe down. Put Zoe down in your lap and just pet her. We're still learning how to hold a dog with a 3-year-old. But yeah, so that's been going on. So I woke up early this morning, talked to my mom, because obviously I couldn't be there because I got the kids and she's not at our local hospital. So yeah, that and Aubrey And Anna's got an ear infection. She's asleep behind me right now in her car seat. But yeah, anyway, back to what I was going to tell y'all. So, been very overwhelmed. Probably, really the past 5 years I've been overwhelmed. But, especially this past week, I've been very overwhelmed. There's just been a lot going on in our family and all this. And, you know, I'm pretty new here to YouTube, so you don't know that much about me, but I am a Christian. And I listen to Christian radio, Way FM. They have stations spread out all over the country, so look them up online because it's a really good station, and they have awesome DJs. But anyway, so a lot of times, you know, you'll hear songs in the background and you're like, oh, it's the same song I've heard a million times. But this one, and it's not really my style of song that I like, but the lyrics stuck out to me, and I just thought I'd share it, you know, just in case it gives y'all some encouragement maybe. I'm looking away from the lens to try and watch her, make sure she's being nice to the puppy. Be nice. No. Just pet. But the lyrics were, I won't give you more than you can take. You might bend, but you won't break. And for some reason, it just really stuck out to me because that was exactly how I've been feeling lately. And I feel like it was kind of a message from God, you know, telling me that, you know, it's going to be okay. I'm going to make it through this season. Even though I'm extremely stressed out and overwhelmed with the kids. Y'all have probably heard me say a couple times that my husband works a lot. A lot of times I feel like a single parent. And yeah, so it was just kind of encouraging, and it made me feel a little bit better just because I feel like I'm bending right now, but I know God's not going to let me break. So yeah, so if y'all are feeling like really overwhelmed and stressed and like you just can't handle, be nice. That's not being nice. Like y'all just can't handle what's going on. You can. God's not going to give you more than you can handle. A lot of times when I look back on parts of my life that were like really bad or struggled, or, you know, you feel like, why is this happening to me? Now I can look back on those times and I got something from it. You know, there was a lesson with it. And I don't regret going through those bad times because I feel like I've grown from it and I learned from it. So yeah, there's a reason for everything. It is hard to stay positive about it sometimes, but yeah, it's all gonna be good. Say hi. Say hi. You see yourself in the camera? Say hi. Anna. I think she's so delusional from not taking a nap for so long that she's just like acting goofy. Anna. Hey. Hey guys, so we are in the line now to get Aubrey from school. I feel like she hasn't been here long, probably because she hasn't. But yeah, so it's a 3-year-old for you. So we were probably going to go to town and get something to eat. Hopefully that'll make everybody feel a little bit better, to get some food in their stomachs. And then I've got to go to my parents' house and let the dog out, which I was also supposed to do this morning, and guess what? That didn't happen either. So gonna go do that, and then was gonna go to Walmart, but my husband is going to save me from that hassle, and he's gonna stop by there and pick up Anna's prescription on his way home from work instead of picking up groceries. So yeah, I guess I will order groceries tomorrow. But yeah, it's been a very crazy, eventful day, and it's just like rainy, and not really rainy, it's cloudy. It looks like it's gonna rain, and it's just like gloomy And so, I don't know, I have like zero motivation today. And today would probably be a good day to watch a cleaning video or something, because there's so much I need to do in my house, but I just don't feel like doing it. Again, maybe some lunch will help, because I've kind of just been on the run all day. But yeah, that is it for right now. So we're going to get Aubrey and then probably go to town and get some food to eat. About to get Aubrey. Hey. Gotta get buckled. Did you have a good day at school?
Yes.
What'd you do?
I missed it activity because I went to PE.
Were they in PE when you got to school?
Yeah.
Oh. What'd your teacher say about you missing this morning at school?
They thought I was sick and they thought I had a strep throat too. I was so worried. Mom, you want to go get a milkshake?
We're not gonna get a milkshake, but we're gonna get something to eat to hold us. Arby's.
Yay, Arby's.
We are home. Hey, Anna. Hey, did you have a good nap? Did you have a good nap, Anna? Did you have a good nap? Alright, let's go in.
Okay.
You need to take a longer nap. You took a short nap. I think you're still ill.
There's a package at the door, Mommy.
Come on. And I had a package at the door. I bet I know what this is because I pre-ordered that Mrs. Meyers mint scent. It took longer than most people to get it because I did not know you had to have a minimum $30 order to ship something, and I think this set was like $25. So I added, I think, hand soap to it or something just so it could ship out.
Oh.
Okay, sit on your bottom. Alright, so in that pre-order we got microfiber cloth.
Yep.
Yep.
That
There you
one.
go.
Thank you. I'll put it in the trash. We can play those. We can put it on the top.
Let's see. Oh, this is the glass hand soap bottle. And this looked pretty cute.
Aw, it looks super cute, Mommy.
Yeah.
That's my glad pile.
That's yours?
Yeah. No, it's not. What does it have in it, Mommy?
You put soap in it.
Oh. Look, I like it.
So yeah, that's pretty cute.
We can pop those bubbles, Mommy.
Yeah.
So I'll bubble out. Even we can pop these bubbles here. Let's put that bubble. No, not now. We can always pop. No. No bubble.
Yes, so this is what I ordered to make a $30 order. I got the, be careful, the Mrs. Meyers hand soap refill and basil. And I haven't smelled the basil before. Can you go talk to Anna, please? And give her a pappy?
This is my cloth. This is my cloth.
But everyone says it smells like really clean and good, so I'm excited to smell it. And I haven't really like tried one of their scents that I don't like yet, except for the lavender air freshener room spray stuff. It doesn't smell like lavender to me. It smells weird. It smells clean, but I wouldn't buy it again. And so I don't know if I would like it in the multi-purpose spray or not, but oh yeah, this smells good. It smells kind of like herby, but it's still very clean. I think I'd like it for a hand soap. Maybe not a multi-purpose spray, but definitely for a hand soap. And then here is the mint.
Whoa, that's full. That ain't no flavor.
Yeah. Let's see how this smells.
Can I
It smells good.
I made top blue. Oh, it smells like flowers, doesn't it, Mommy?
Yeah, it kind of has a floral scent,
Yep.
but you can also still smell the mint. Let's try. Let's smell the dish soap. Maybe that will give me a better idea.
Oh, I hope it doesn't smell better than that one. I hope it smells the same. What name is it?
It's not like a mint like peppermint.
Can I smell it?
It's like a mint plant, which I've heard some people mention that before.
Let me
And so I
know.
kind of expected it. I still like it though. It's got that like clean, fresh smell with a little bit of mint.
Can I
Maybe
smell
a
it?
tiny bit of floral scent.
Can I smell it? Good. I smell like pepper leaves.
Peppermint leaves.
Yeah. You mean what
Got
pepper?
that, and then we got the hand soap, which
I smell pepper.
I never thought my husband would be okay with paying, what is it, like almost $3 or $3 for a hand soap. But he loves this hand soap. Of course, he hasn't smelt the scent yet, but like as far as the actual soap goes,
That is.
after I got, I think, the first bottle of it, he was telling me that we needed to buy more. So that says anything for a man to be okay with buying this soap. But yeah, that is it. So this bundle here, not including the soap refill, was $24.99 for I think the pre-order. So that's pretty good. So I'm excited to try the multi-purpose or multi-surface cleaner. But yeah, I'm excited to try it. And here's what this troublemaker is doing. She got a little canopy thing and pulled it down and decided to bite it. Didn't you? Is that funny? Oh. Did that make you mad? Yeah, tell me.
She said, yeah.
Alright guys, well I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope this was somewhat of an eventful day for you to see. I feel like it was kind of boring, but we also had a lot going on. So, yeah. You want to say bye?
Bye.
You want to say bye?
Bye.
Alright, we will see you next time, guys. Bye.